The Dhāraṇī, Tāra's own promise. Tārā svra prachijna Dhāraṇī. Homage to noble Tārā. Tārā proclaimed the Dhāraṇī Tāra's own promise. Tadyata om tare tarayai, hum samayastite, bara sava bharana, vibhushite padme, maha padme sanastite hasa, triloka varade, sava deva dana, vapujite, smarati bhagavati tare smarahi bhagavatas, Tathagasya purata samayam dara mahasattva valokite manikana kavi chitra bharane om vilokaya, insert name, Bhagavati tare hrim pat svaha. By merely recalling this Dhāraṇī, all dangers will be eliminated, all accomplishments will be attained, and all sentient beings will be brought under control. On the 8th or 15th day of the moon, make vast offerings to noble Tārā, and then recite this Dhāraṇī until you perceive Tārā directly. Whatever you desire will be given to you, and all boons will be granted. If you are not given these things, I will have committed the 5 acts with immediate retribution, but otherwise immeasurable benefits will come. This was extracted from the Supreme Vajra Tantra. This concludes the noble Dhāraṇī, Tāra's own promise.